Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course, my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we gonna be right back. So today's unit was sent to me by Sensationnel, so thank you kindly for sending me this unit. It is from their Empire Wig Celebrity Series. It's 100% human hair and it's in the style Ramona, and I got it in the color 2. I am loving this unit. It's so cute and it's so easy, you guys. This was literally a plop and go. I think for someone that is unsure of if they want to cut their hair, this would be a good test trial. This is so cute and you can play in it. You can run your fingers through. I like it. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's different from what I usually do on my channel. So what do you guys think? So this is the front of the stock card. This is what the beautiful model is looking like. And this is the back of the stock card. It does come in a bunch of specialty colors as well. Since it's 100% human hair, you can wash it. You can add a small amount of mild shampoo, swish the wig gently in the basin, rinse thoroughly with cool water. Using a towel, lightly blot excess water and let drip dry. Do not brush or blow dry or heat style while it's wet. It has a contouring mesh cap, and that's pretty much it. It says it's soft and smooth texture, tangle free, shed free, long lasting curl retention, and you can use a flat iron for this unit. I used the flat iron a little bit for this part right here. Wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with it. Yeah, I think that it would be nice if these units had like a lace part on it, because I was looking at some hairstyles on Pinterest and like short hairstyles prior to me receiving this wig. Because I don't know, every now and then I'll think about, you know, wanting to go short. And I saw that a lot of girls had like, you know, parts in their hair. Like a part would be here and then the wig would go this way, things like that. Or maybe a part right here, and then, you know, I don't know. I would think that they should step out the box a little bit and try something a little bit different. Maybe adding a part, like a lace part to the short style. I wonder what that would look like. But this unit is so cute. It's a plop and go. I'm already getting compliments on it. I showed my mom and she's like, oh my God, that's so cute. This unit is also infused with argan oil. So, you know, it's also a reason why the hair is soft. It is big hair friendly. It has one comb in the front, one comb in the back, and that's it. It does have adjustable tabs back there for your head size. No shedding or tangling. I haven't experienced any. And the price range for this unit is $26 to $30. I have a Google link in the description box below. It's like a little arrow on the bottom of the screen. You guys will see it. You just click on it, it will drop down, and it will have the Google link in the description box below. But yes, you guys, this unit is a plop and go, and it's easy, it's cute. I like it. I think Last time around I had a short unit. I gave it to my grandmother, but I don't know. I'm thinking I might keep this for me, you know. It will give me something different, a versatile look. And I think these hairstyles are so cute with like the fedora hats. If anyone watching this video has worn a wig like this or has a short hairstyle, how do you typically wear? Do you like to wear hats, not wear hats? I think the fedora hats are just so cute with this hairstyle. So yeah, y'all, I'm ready for spring. It's snowing here in New Jersey. It's cold. I hope this is the last snowstorm of the winter because I'm over it. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time.